Hi everyone, I am Vivek, Faculty of Mathematics. Today we will discuss CET problems on statistics. Here, the prerequisites of statistics mainly first the definition of the statistics, collection of data. Right? Here, in collection of data, we have two types. So first one is grouped data and another one is ungrouped data. In the group data, we have two types. First one is discrete frequency distribution. Another one is continuous frequency distribution. Right. Here in statistics, we have majorly two tools. The first one is the measure of central tendency, and one more is measure of dispersion. So in that measure of central tendency, we have three types. First one mean, second one median, and third one is mode. And the one more tools in statistics, measure of dispersion, we have four types. First one range, then second one is virtual deviation, and the third one is mean deviation, and fourth one is standard deviation. Here today we will discuss on CT problems in variance and standard deviation. Variance and standard deviation. Majorly in CT, the more number of questions, not more number of questions, means one or two questions definitely will come in CT questions. So I have taken last 4 years, each paper one question. We will solve one by one. Before going to solve, I want to explain variance and standard deviation. See, the variance and standard deviation both are similar, not a unique thing. Means both are same. The thing is different. Here, the notation of variance is sigma square. Sigma square. Sigma square. And the notation of standard deviation is sigma. So the variance and standard deviation. Here the formula on sigma square means variance is summation xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. This is the formula variance. If I want standard deviation, just this square goes to the right side, means it will become square root of summation xi square by n minus x bar square. It's called as standard deviation. Same thing. Here the n is, see, n is number of observations. Right? N is number of observations or number of items or number of terms. Number of terms or number of items. This number of items due to the space. Okay? And most of the cases they will ask number of terms. Okay, next x bar. What is x bar? Immediately it is a mean. The definition of mean is sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. Means sum of the all observations divided by total number of observations. Understood? Mean means sum of the xi divided by n, and one more is sigma xi square. What is sigma xi square? This is very important. always they will give sigma and mean. They will ask tell me the sum of the squares of the observation. So this single problem we have seen last time. Last 4 years we will get 4 questions for each year. Now we will see one by one. Listen, here first one problem is it is visible. I think visible. Okay, I will explain. Here the mean of 10 items is 5. The mean of 10 items is 5 and their standard deviation is 6. Their standard deviation is 6. And then the sum of the squares of the terms is what? Say sum of the squares of the terms is what? Means given. So then what they are asking? Sum of the squares of the terms. What are they given? Mean of 10 items is 5. Means 10 items. Means n is equal to 10. Right. The mean of 10 items is 5. Means mean means x bar is equal to 5. And the standard deviation is 6. Sigma is equal to 6. So we find sum of the squares of the observation. So we know the standard deviation formula. So we can apply it. What is standard deviation formula? Sigma is equal to square root of summation xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Right? Here see, we know that n, x bar and sigma. Just keep it here and remaining all are kept left side. And substitute each values. You will get summation xi square. Here they are asking summation xi square is equal to 1. Some 4 definitions. So 4 options are given. Now see. This square root comes to the left side will become sigma square. Then this minus x bar square will become this side plus x bar square. Correct? Minus x bar square will becomes plus x bar square. Then this n will comes this side. Take this side and the summation xi square will be here. You can solve it easily. So you can step by step you can solve, but I am taking directly. Now just we know those 3 values and substitute directly. N is 10 and x bar square is 5. Pi square is 25 plus sigma square is 6 means 36 is equal to summation xi square. Right? Now 25 plus 36 is 61. Correct? 25, 50 plus 16 is 56. 66. So 10 into 66 is equal to summation xi square. Here 25 plus 36 is 61. 61 into 10 is 610 is equal to summation xi square. We got sum of the squares of the observation is 610. See in the options 610. Answer is 610. Got it? Within just one formula you will get answer. Just substitute given values in this equation. Okay. Now see second. In an experiment with 15 observations. Listen, in an experiment, 15 observations are there. So it was found that summation xi square is equal to 2830 and summation xi is equal to 170. observation 20 was found to be wrong. One of the observation 20 is found to be wrong and was replaced by 30. Was replaced by 30. The correct variance of the data means they are asking correct variance of the given data. So what are they are given? First write given n is equal to 15, total 15 observations and summation xi square there is 2830, right? Then summation xi they given 170. Now see, one of the observation 20 was to be found wrong and replaced by 30. Means among 15 observation, one of the observation their given value 20. It was wrong and replaced by 30. Just subtract in 20 and add 30 in given summation xi square summation xi. Here some of the observation is there, so total one is given, so just minus 20 they do and add 30. We will get 170, 180. Now new some of the observation is 180. Then similarly here also minus 20 square plus 30 square, because some of the squares of the observation we are doing, so subtract 20 square, add 30 square. You will get 330. Correct? Okay, check it. Now correct the variance of the data. So sigma square is equal to summation xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. X bar whole square. So what are the things we know that n summation xi square we know that, and we know that summation xi we know that. Here x bar means summation xi divided by n. Sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. We call as a mean. So just substitute these values, we will get sigma square is equal to summation xi square is 3330 divided by 11, n is 15 minus summation of xi is 180 divided by 50 whole square. Now see 15 triple 2 the triple 30. So 15 12 the 180. So now it will become 22 minus 12 square is 12 into 12 is 144. 144. So here 222 minus 144 is 222 minus 144. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 6, 68. Right? 11, 4, 6, 7, 8. So 222 minus 144 is 78. So option is 78. Now see next problem. If the mean and the variance of 8 numbers 3, 7, 9, 12, 13, 20, x and y be 10 and 25 respectively, then xy is equal to what? See here they are asking mean and variance of 8 numbers. So first write it equal. N is equal to x and y also there. So how we can find x and y? Just take it. Very interesting problem. Here given first see and given x bar is given and sigma square is given. So we know the sigma square. Formula for sigma square is equal to summation x l square divided by l minus x bar whole square. Now see, we can do this one. Each observation given, sum of the squares we can do. Then n is number of observation, just substitute 8 and x bar is given 10 and sigma square also given 25. Let's start. How it works. Now sigma square is 25. Then summation x square means each observation we have to square it. First 3 square is 9 plus 7 square is 49 plus 9 square is 81 plus 12 square is 144. Then 13 square is 169. Then 20 square is 400 plus x square plus y square divided by n is equal to 8 minus x bar is 10. 10 square is 100. So this 100 minus 100 take it to left side. 100 minus 100 plus 25 is 125 into 8. This 8 put here 8. Then 49 plus 9 is 81 plus 144 plus 169 plus 400. And this total value is yes. Here the total value is 9 plus 49 plus 81 plus 144 plus 169 plus 400 is 852 plus x square plus y square. Right. Now 8 into 125 is 1000. Then this 852 into left side. 852 is equal to x square plus y square. Right? X square plus y square. Now see, 1000 minus 852 is 148 is equal to x square plus y square. Now we got x square plus y square. Now see this x square plus y square, where we can get identities a square plus b square plus 2ab, then we will get xy. So similarly, we know that the formula identities x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2ab plus 2xy. Right? We can write like that. For a square plus b square identities, we can write x square plus y square is equal to 2xy plus x plus y square. Sorry, x plus y whole square. So in this place we can write this one, right? Here write shuffle it. 2xy plus x plus y whole square is equal to 148. So x square plus y square is equal to 148. Right. Now we want to find this one, but we don't know x plus y. Where we can get x plus y? Observe x plus y. Sum of the observations in x bar. See what is x bar? Right. Now see, last step. 10 into 8 is 80. 80 minus 64 is equal to x plus y. So 80 minus 64, what? 60. So we got x plus y is equal to 60. Just put in here. We will get x y values. Now see, last one. So put this x plus y whole square, that side means right side, then 2x y is equal to 16 square. 16 square means 256. 256 minus 256. This is minus. This plus goes to the right side means minus 256 plus 148. Yes. Now see, x square plus y square is equal to 150. We got x square plus y square. We can see this identities. A square plus b square is equal to 2ab means a plus b whole square. Similarly, we can write x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 into xy. So we will get this one. Right? Put here and take left side. X plus y whole square minus 2 into xy is equal to x square plus y square. So we know that this value, we don't know that xy, but we don't know x plus y also. So there you can see this x plus y. See, sum of the observations. Each observation will be sum divided by total number of observations. Where we can see in mean, what is the mean definition? Sum of the each observation divided by total number of observations. So we can find x plus y. Now we will see x bar is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 20 plus x plus y. You will get this x plus y divided by what? Number of observations. 8. So x bar we know that 10. X bar. X bar is 10. 10 into 8 is 80. Then add this all this 20 plus 30. 30 plus 12. 55 plus 9, 64. How much? 64. Plus x plus y. Right. Okay, x plus y. Now we will see x plus y is equal to 80 minus 64 is equal to 80 minus 64 is 60. X plus y is equal to 60. Just put in this image. Now take this minus 2x into the set and x square plus y square into this set. We know that x square plus y square is 148, right? 148. 148. This minus 2x goes to the set, x square plus y square goes to this set. So x plus y square means 16. 16 square is 256 minus 148 is equal to 2 into xy. Correct? 256 minus 148 is 256 minus 148. 16. 8. 8. Then 1, 4, 0. 256. 256 minus 144 is what? 256 minus 144 is, sorry, 256 minus 148 is 108, right? 108 is equal to 2 into x. Why? Now divide into how much? 54. 54. So 254 is 100. Now the value of xy is 54. So see the option. Yes, 54 is it. Yes.